Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to enable two-step verification on Telegram, an essential step to keep your chats and personal data secure. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection, so even if someone gets your SMS login code, they still can't access your account without your password. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap the three lines icon, also known as the menu button. This opens up the main navigation panel. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Privacy and Security. This is where all your important security features live. Next, look for the option labeled Passcode Lock or Lock App. Tap on it. Here, you'll see the two-step verification feature. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll now be prompted to set a password. Tap Set Password, then enter a strong, unique password that you'll remember. Confirm your password by typing it again. This password will be required whenever you log into Telegram on a new device, adding that crucial extra barrier to your account. After setting your password, Telegram will give you the option to enter a password hint. This is completely optional, but it can be helpful if you're worried about forgetting your password. Type in a hint if you want, or simply skip this step. Next, you'll be asked to enter a recovery email address. This is a vital step. If you ever forget your two-step verification password, Telegram will use this email to help you reset it. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Telegram will send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, find the code, and enter it into Telegram to confirm your email address. That's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification on Telegram. Now your account is much more secure, and only you can access it, even if someone knows your SMS code. Take a moment to double-check your settings and enjoy peace of mind knowing your Telegram account is protected.